Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to quickly share that how you can set a custom refresh rate for your laptop or even overclock your laptop's refresh rate. So, for example, you can see I have overclocked my laptop refresh rate. My default is 240, but I am running the laptop on 245 Hz. And even if you change the resolution, the refresh rate still remains the same. For example, you can see my display settings. My current refresh rate is 245 Hz. So let's quickly go through the topic of how to achieve this refresh rate. So for that you have to open the Crew software and click on the reset all exe. Click yes, again yes. Then click on restart.exe. The screen will flicker after you do this. But don't worry, the graphic drivers are just getting restarted, nothing else. Now you can finally open crew.exe and you will get interface something like this. But for me, in this interface, my changes doesn't take place. You may ask why? Because this is not my active monitor. You can see some default extension block and all that is written. This doesn't work for me. So you have to always select active monitor. For me, it doesn't show any active monitor, but I know by trial and error method that the second one is my active monitor. Now you can see some text is written in extension blocks known as display ID, and upside you also see detailed resolutions. So there are two methods. First is detailed resolutions. You don't have to change anything here, just the refresh rate. But for me, I cannot go over 137 for some reason. So the maximum I can go through this method is 136. So I will show you. See, 137 is red, but as soon as you type 136, it's accepted. So just press OK. You go for maximum what you can achieve. Next, I will also show you through the display ID method where you can go above 240 Hz also. So just now press OK and restart 64.exe. You have to double click that. Yes, the screen will flicker. Okay, now you have to click exit. Now the refresh rate of 136 is applied. Click exit. See, from the drop down you can select 136, keep changes, and even if you change the resolution it will still remain the same. Like I selected 1920 into 1080, just keep the changes. And if you are wondering about the black bars, it can be solved through your graphic driver software. For me it's Nvidia graphic driver. You can have AMD also, but just the adjust desktop size and position you have to check full screen and apply, then it will solve your problem. Okay, now we can check the refresh rate again. It's still the same. The resolution is changed, but the refresh rate will still be the same. You have to just apply it, 136 Hz. We can also check it through the browser. Like you can see, the refresh rate is 136. So now let's move to the second method, which is best in my opinion. We have to do that reset all exe again. Just do it. And restart.exe also. So once you have done that, click exit and restart your Crew software. So select your active monitor. I know mine is second. And don't do any changes. Don't delete anything or change the values. Just go to display ID. I have display ID here, but for you it can be CTA 861 or 871. So now after double clicking detailed resolutions, here you can see the default resolution and refresh rate is written. Now here we can change the refresh rate to higher values also, and it doesn't show invalid. Like I will set it to 250 something. I know 250 doesn't work, but I will show you what will happen if you apply some refresh rate which is not supported by your monitor. So just click OK. OK again. The upper side it shows 60 Hz, but don't do anything there. See, here we have written 250 Hz. Now I will show you what will happen if you apply incorrect refresh rate which is not supported. Just click on restart 64.exe and now your screen may do some weird things, like see my mouse is jittering up and down, but don't worry, don't get panicked, just click recovery mode and it will go back to normal. So see, now our screen is back to normal. So again open the Crew software, go to your default active monitor, click on extension blocks and detailed resolutions. And by doing such trial and error method, you have to find out that what is supported by a monitor. For me, I found out that above 245, the screen glitches. So I will simply write 245 and click OK, OK. And again do the restart 64.exe. And this time there won't be any scaling problem or glitches. So see, we don't have any problems. Simply click exit and go to display settings. Go to advanced display and you can see the refresh rate is 245 Hz. Now even if you change the resolution, it will still be the same. You can also select it from monitor. Now we will do a browser check. See, it's 245. So it applied successfully. Now about the resolution part, we can change the resolution. So I will select something like 1440 into 1080. Yeah, so we will select 1440 into 1080. And the black bar problem, you know how to solve. Just do full screen mode. And click apply. So now all the things are sorted. And I will show you the resolution has changed, but the refresh rate is still the same. See the resolution and see the refresh rate is still 245. Even if you do a refresh rate check, see 245. So guys, that was for the video. I hope this video helped you out, and if any issue persists, you can comment and I will get in touch with you personally. To stay updated with such content, you can subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.